Bitcoin is first going to flip gold, and when it flips gold, it should be about a $500,000 coin asset.
In terms of cryptocurrencies generally, I can say almost with certainty that they will come to a bad ending.
I want to know, what is your price prediction? You already said for Bitcoin, maybe 200 to 400K. What is your price prediction for Ethereum for the remainder of this bull cycle? And when do you think Ethereum tops out?
That should, from here, lead us to top out at about 20,000.
All right, guys, this is a very important video. I need to tell you what is going to be happening in the month of September. Here in the next few days, in the next couple of weeks, there's going to be massive catalysts for cryptocurrencies, which are going to present incredible trading opportunities. You need to hear this. So guys, make sure you stay to the very end. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that will make you money in crypto. So getting straight into the video, make sure you watch my video yesterday after this video, because I tell you exactly what happened yesterday, where cryptocurrencies were pumping. They were looking extremely good. They were breaking out and we crashed. That video is going to explain exactly in detail what happened and where we are headed from that position. So as of right now, and from the crash yesterday, we're just literally holding up, and we've been trading in this range since the 30th of August. We've just been stuck right here, guys, in this same exact range, not really breaking out of it, not breaking down, but we are testing. Look at this, the highs, the lows are getting higher, so therefore we are testing the higher regions more, and the more we test higher regions, the more likely we are to break out of the higher regions, which means that we're going to most likely head up. But because of how we crashed yesterday and are just trading sideways, there is some downwards possibilities. There is possible downward momentum that can be taking place here very soon, so just be completely aware of that. But let me tell you what's going to be happening over the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks. So the 9th of September, we are going to have the Fed speaking. They're going to be talking, and who knows what they're going to say. But the last several meetings, they've been crashing cryptocurrencies. So it's very likely that when the Fed speaks, they're going to crash the market. We also have this CPI immediately coming after that on the 13th of September. This is very, very important for the US, and this is going to determine the trajectory of the Fed, of what they are going to be doing with interest rates, i.e. their monetary policy. So these couple of factors are going to be taking place here in the next couple of weeks, less than the next couple of weeks, going to be the most important things this year, because the Fed could slightly pivot with the CPI showing inflation is coming down. And if inflation is coming down rapidly, and more rapid than people are anticipating, the Fed is going to raise interest rates less. They're probably going to raise interest rates 50 basis points per session. The session here in September versus their usual 75 basis points. And the markets are going to probably react to that in a bullish way, because it's showing the Fed is pivoting to a degree and softening up this landing. So we have that to understand. But the Fed has reiterated very firmly that they are going to do whatever they can to bring inflation down to 2%. And guys, that is a lot of interest rates that they are going to have to raise, because inflation is very, very high. It's about 9%, and they're going to be bringing it down to 2%. Guys, that's going to take a while, and that is very, very bad for overall markets. I do believe that this is going to crash the stock market, because it is already crashing the stock market, but I think that this can crash the stock market a lot further. So we're going to have to see. But once the markets see inflation coming down, the Fed can see inflation coming down consistently, they're going to start softening up this landing, which means they're going to be raising interest rates less aggressively, which eventually means they're going to be slowing down or pivoting. When the markets, investors, Wall Street, when they start to see the Fed is starting to slow down and chill out, that's when the markets are going to start bouncing up, just like they did a couple of weeks ago, because people thought the Fed was going to slow down. They didn't. So when people start to anticipate the Fed slowing down, this is going to pump the markets like crazy, and we are going to see some massive pumps in the stock market and the crypto market, guys. We are going to see a massive recovery when inflation and this whole interest rates thing gets behind us. This is very important, and we're going to be anticipating this. So until then, the markets are going to be very choppy, very volatile, and you need to know when to take profits. You need to take profits, because if you don't take profits, the whales will take profits before you, and you will get wrecked and lose a lot of profitable opportunities. Now, that's what we do in the Patreon. I give you guys buy and sell alerts, especially in tier 3. Join the Patreon if you want to get access to all these profitable trade alerts, and when to sell. Also, do not forget to get your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a crypto trading platform. You need to use a VPN, put your country in Spain, and it'll work perfectly for you. But claim your $5,000 deposit bonus by depositing crypto over there. Up to $100, $1,000, you will get free money, and also have a new course and mentoring program. If you are interested in that, I can teach you how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. Go ahead and apply with a link in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you all later.